Welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Educational Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari. My subject watershed management. Final year first semester R18 regulation. In previous class already we have discussed erosion prevent methods, different types of erosion prevent methods that are vegetation, and these are the different methods, and contour burning, windbreakers, retaining walls. And now the topic is mulching, and till is also completed. In this mulching, these are the mulching technique. Growing the reduces the soil erosion, increase infiltration. So this mulching, in this method, organic matter is applied to the soil surface to conserve soil moisture, prevent soil compaction, reduce runoff, and also erosion of topsoil, control weeds, etc. In this method, the specialty of in this method is prevent surface compaction, reduce runoff, and also erosion of topsoil, control of weeds, etc. The mulching are of two types: organic mulches and inorganic mulches. Organic mulches include wood chips, wood chips, cocoa beans, hulls, crushed, and different types of mulches. These are the different types of mulches: grass, hops, leaves, manure, newspaper, peat, and pine needles, and straw, and raw wood, and fiber. Inorganic mulches include clay aggregates. Inorganic mulches, these are the inorganic mulch means it includes the organic weed barrier fabric, recycled rubber ties, and gravel, stones, pebbles, etc. These are the two different and mulches, organic and inorganic. And composite helps to improve the water holding capacity in soil and the crop yield. Composing is biological process wherein biological organic matter undergoes aerobic decomposition by aerobic and microorganism and worms to form composite. So in mulching, this is the main important method to reduce the, this is the one of the technique for reducing the soil erosion. This is the one of the technique for a black mulch and clear transparent mulch, allows to sunlight to pass and weeds grow. So the advantage of mulching is enrichment of soil, which nutrient essential for growth plants, with essential for plant growth, and also improve water holding capacity of soil, improve the water holding capacity of the soil. This figure shows the mulching. So water hold capacity of the soil, and also prevent erosion by keeping soil covered. So in this we are already discussed in previous also, utilize entire area by vegetation. Due to that vegetation, it reduces the soil erosion losses, increase the infiltration. So infiltration automatically increased means groundwater table will be reduced. Groundwater table will be reduced means that water we can use it for different types of purpose. What are the different types of purposes? Either drinking purpose, domestic purpose, and plantation purpose, crop purpose, and different ways we can use it. And mulching is organic applied to the soil, conserve soil organic matter. These are the different techniques for we can prevent the soil erosion. We can prevent the soil erosion. What are different types of in previous two classes also we can discuss this one. Once again we can once again briefly we can discuss this method. This topic will be complete today. So the different techniques is vegetation, contour techniques, retaining wall, windbreakers, conservation tillage, and mulching. These are the different methods for preventing the soil erosion. So one of the method and most important method is vegetation cover on a entire area. So due to that, root binds the soil, so it reduces the soil erosion. So runoff water also reduce, it holds the water, so runoff water also reduce. And from leaves, stumps, and also flowers, so water will be transpirated, and also increases the infiltration. So the main aim is infiltration, reduce the runoff. And so this is the velocity of water. So due to that vegetation, amount and velocity of water moving across the soil surface or hill surface. In hillside also we can go for different ways. This is the retaining wall. This is the one of the type of reducing the soil erosion. Due to that hillside, we can go for this way. Hillside, contour forming, practice of level rows and a hill opposed to forming up and down on a hill. This is the one of the method for reducing the soil erosion. In hillside areas we can go for this type of technique. So reduce the runoff velocity, increase the soil conservation, and also increase the infiltration. So another one is build retaining wall. So retaining wall is one of the purpose prevent soil eroded by wind, air, rain and flowing water, but mostly likely to be done in wind and rain. Due to wind and rain, water will be eroded, soil will be eroded. So this is the another technique for windbreakers. So the advantage of that one is preventing the soil erosion and also preventing crop from wind damage. In this purpose, preventing soil erosion and also preventing crop from wind damage. Wind damage we can prevent. And this is the different ways. So two types, it is divided into two types. One is tree windbreakers and grass windbreakers. And due to that this method advantage is reduce the soil erosion from wind and also increase the relative humidity and also reduce evaporation, parallelly increase soil moisture content, and also protect crops from damage, wind damage. So two types already we can show figure, three windbreakers and grass wind strip height wise, so it will protect from the wind damage. Windbreakers area about 10 times higher, three height, their height 10 times their height, and grass windbreakers are most flexible and can be pushed down by high winds, so it can be protected distance to 5 to 7 kilometers. The breakers height, and also conservation tillage. This is the one of the technique, conservation technique, conservation tillage. This conservation tillage is a method of soil conservation. Methods like planking, deep ripping, and subsoil methods helps to conserve soil moisture in the soil, conserve the moisture in the soil by enhancing water infiltrate and reducing the soil erosion. This is the one of the technique for preventing the soil erosion. And mulching, these are different types for mulching, like organic and inorganic mulch. That organic mulch, these are different trees like grass clipping, small leaves, wood chips, pine needles, banners, leaves, palm fronds, coconut husks, and these are the different types. And mulching, clean, transparent mulch allows sunlight to pass and wind grow and reduces it. These are the methods for reducing the soil erosion and increase the infiltration. Soil conservation also increased. So this is the method for used for control of soil method, and remaining methods will be discussed, and these are the different techniques to prevent the soil erosion. Thank you.